Hi everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to install the Prettier extension on Visual Studio and how we can figure it out to work well on save command and fix our codes in HTML and etc. In order to do that, we have to open the Visual Studio Code, and as you can see, I prepare an HTML file, and on save nothing is happening here. So this shows that we don't have the Prettier extension, and now we go to extension, and here we print Prettier, and as you can see there's a Prettier command code formatter. We press install, it's saying installing. Okay, let's see if it's saving. I press Control and S, which means I'm gonna try to save the file, and nothing has happened. This is because we didn't manage the settings and set that the default extension code formatter is the Prettier. In order to do that, we have to open the settings and say default formatter. Oops, formatter. Uh, formatter. Okay. As you can see, the default formatter is none. We have to choose the Prettier that we installed previously. I say Prettier. As you can see, there's Prettier code formatter. We choose that. We close everything. I close this one also. And now I try once more to save the file. I press Ctrl and S, and everything is in order. Let's try one more. Let's say div, oops, lowercase div times 4. I want to create 4 divs. I'm gonna break them a little bit and see what's happening when I press Ctrl and S, and everything goes to the place which is meant to be. This video was like that, and if you like it, please press the like button, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and see you in the next video. Be safe. Bye.